Hey everyone, it's your man, Rob Lowe. The digital gold rush is on, and we're talking Facebook Meta ads. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell, because in this boot camp, I'm giving you the blueprint to cracking the code of Meta ads. We're talking about putting $1,000 in your pocket every single month, and that's just the beginning. Scale it right, and you're looking at $5,000 or more, all from your laptop. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about taking control, building your own empire, and living life on your terms. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's dive in. Remember, we're here for you. We're your family. Join the Rob Lowe family and click the link in the bio. All right, let's cut to the chase. In today's digital age, if you're not utilizing Facebook Meta ads, you're missing out on a gold mine of potential customers. Think about it, billions of users are scrolling through Facebook and Instagram every single day. Meta ads allows you to target your ideal customer with laser precision. You can target based on demographics, interests, behaviors, you name it. This means you're not wasting money showing your ads to people who couldn't care less. Mastering Meta ads isn't just about boosting a few posts and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the platform's algorithms, crafting compelling ad copy, and constantly analyzing your results to optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. So let's dive in and unlock your business's true potential. All right, guys, let's get down to brass tacks. Before you even think about crafting killer ad copy or targeting your dream customer, you need a solid foundation. That's where setting up your Facebook ads manager like a pro comes in. First things first, head over to facebook.com/manager and let's get you acquainted with your new best friend. This is your command center, your war room, your one-stop shop for all things Meta ads. Get familiar with the layout, explore the different tabs, and don't be afraid to click around. Next up, we need to choose your objective. What's the goal of your campaign? Are you looking to drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost brand awareness? Facebook offers a variety of objectives, so select the one that aligns with your specific business goals. Now it's time to define your audience. Remember those laser-focused targeting options I mentioned earlier? This is where the magic happens. Get granular, people, drill down by demographics, interests, behaviors, and even connections. Finally, choose your ad placements. Do you want your ads to appear on Facebook, Instagram, or both? Experiment with different placements to see what works best for your target audience. Now that you've got your ads manager locked and loaded, it's time to talk targeting. You can have the best product in the world and the slickest ad copy, but if you're not putting it in front of the right eyeballs, it's all for nothing. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to sell ice to Eskimos, right? The same principle applies to Meta ads. Facebook gives you an arsenal of targeting options, and believe me, it's powerful stuff. You can also target based on interests and behaviors. The more specific you are, the higher your chances of reaching the right people and maximizing your ROI. Chapter 4, crafting ad copy that converts, words that sell. All right, now that we've got our targeting locked in, it's time to talk about the meat and potatoes of your ads, the copy. This is where you grab attention, pique interest, and ultimately persuade people to take action. Think of your ad copy as your elevator pitch. You've got a limited amount of time and space to make an impact, so every word counts. You need to be clear, concise, and compelling. No fluff, no jargon, Just straight to the point messaging that resonates with your target audience. Start with a strong hook. What's going to make people stop scrolling and pay attention to your ad? Use a bold statement, a provocative question, or a captivating image to grab their attention right off the bat. Next, highlight the benefits of your product or service. Don't just tell people what you're selling, tell them how it's going to improve their lives. Use strong calls to action. Tell people exactly what you want them to do. Shop now, learn more, sign up today, and so on. And don't forget about the visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so choose eye-catching images or videos that complement your ad copy and capture attention. Remember, your ad copy should be tailored to your target audience. Speak their language, address their needs, and appeal to their emotions. All right, guys, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, data. I know, it might not sound like the most exciting thing in the world, but trust me, when it comes to meta ads, data is your best friend. Why? Because it tells you what's working, what's not, and how to improve your campaigns for maximum ROI. Without data, you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. Facebook provides a treasure trove of data in the Ads Manager, and it's up to you to make sense of it all. Don't be intimidated by the numbers, though. Start by focusing on the key metrics: impressions, reach, clicks, conversions, and cost per conversion. Impressions tell you how many times your ad has been shown. Reach tells you how many unique users have seen your ad. Clicks tell you how many people have clicked on your ad. Conversions tell you how many people have completed your desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for your email list. And cost per conversion tells you how much you're spending for each conversion. By tracking these metrics, you can start to get a sense of how your campaigns are performing. All right, guys, you've put in the work, you've mastered the basics, and your campaigns are humming along nicely. Now it's time to take things to the next level and start scaling your campaigns for maximum profit. Scaling your campaigns means gradually increasing your budget and expanding your reach while maintaining a positive ROI. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're maximizing your profits without sacrificing efficiency. But here's the thing, scaling too quickly can be just as detrimental as not scaling at all. If you increase your budget too aggressively, you risk blowing through your ad spend without seeing a significant return. So how do you scale your campaigns effectively? It's all about testing, analyzing, and optimizing. Start by identifying your top performing campaigns and ad sets. These are the ones that are generating the most conversions at the lowest cost. Once you've identified your winners, start gradually increasing their budgets by 10 to 20% per week. Keep a close eye on your key metrics and make sure your ROI remains positive. Scaling your campaigns is an ongoing process of testing, analyzing, and optimizing. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so it's important to find what works best for your business and your budget. Let's talk about the crucial aspect of running successful meta ads campaigns: budget management. Think of your ad budget as your fuel. Use it efficiently to get the most mileage. Set realistic goals and track your spending like a hawk. Adjust your budget as needed and always optimize for better ROI. Stay to the end. You won't want to miss this. There you have it, folks. You've now got the knowledge and tools to conquer the world of Facebook meta ads. Remember, this is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you take action, implement what you've learned, and never stop testing and optimizing. If you're ready to take your Meta ad skills to the next level and start seeing real results for your business, I encourage you to check out my complete Facebook Meta Ads Bootcamp. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, keep crushing it. And as a special thank you for watching, use the code META1000 for an exclusive discount on my bootcamp. Don't miss out.